Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are healthy. So, again we are here for learning science. So, let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School. So, today we are continue our lesson number 3 exercise. So, we do revision of lesson number 3 exercise for our exam. Lesson number 3 the world of plants. So, let's start our today's topic with one beautiful line. That what you do today can improve all your tomorrows. So, for your better future, you have to work hard for today. Whatever you do today, it's giving impact on your all tomorrows. If you do hard work with passion, you get good result for tomorrow. So, whatever you do today, think and start doing because it is your future. So, let's start today's lecture. So, we continue our lesson number 3 the world of plants. In this lesson, we learn about plants and types of plants, parts of plants, and everything about plants. So, before we start our exercise, which we write in fair book, we revise our lesson number 3. So, let's revise lesson number 3 the world of plants. So, first we rememberized everything which we learn in lesson number 3. So, what we learn in lesson number 3? We learn about plants. We learn that so many different types of plant, how we divide in different types this plant and different parts of the plant. We also learn that what plants need to grow and how they grow. So let's revise what we learn in this lesson. So first we learn that what plant need to grow. So first thing we need to grow plant is seed. Here you can see one boy is planting and boy planting seed. So we take seed of plant we would like to grow and put them in pit in the ground. So first when we start growing plant we need to plug the land. Then we add seed inside it and then we cover it. So we learn in lesson number 3 that we need to cover seed because if we not cover it the seed can't fix at the place. So first thing when we start growing plant we need seed to grow plant because whatever plant you need to grow you need this plant's seed. So we plant seed and seed has baby plant inside it. That's why seed need to grow plant. From one seed we can grow many plants. So plants need seed to grow. Then which 3 things plant need to grow after start growing? First is sunlight. Second is soil, air and water. Soil we need to grow plant but we need 3 things to grow plant. First is air. You can see here air which flower get from the atmosphere. second is water. So when we planting any tree or plant, we need to watering it. Why? Because plants need water like us. Living things need water to drink. Like that, plants also need water to drink. And third thing plant need to grow is sunlight. Why? Because with help of sunlight, air and water, plants make food for them. So, sunlight is also needed for growing plant. You can't only watering the plant and plants start growing. You need to give sunlight to plants. So, these three things plants need to grow. And fourth thing which plants obtain from the soil is nutrients, which is a useful things for plant for growing. Like we use vitamins, minerals and proteins for growing our body healthy. Like that, plants need nutrients for growing healthy, which plants obtain from the soils. So these three things, air, water and sunlight, plants need to grow. Then we learn about different parts of the plant. Which are they? There are 5 parts of the plant. First is root. We learn in this lesson that root is only part of the plant which growing underground. Other parts of the plant are growing on the ground. So when plants start growing from the seed, and first part of the plant root is growing, which we cannot see because it is a underground part of the plant. Then second part of the plant is stem. Stem is start growing after roots and stem start growing on the ground. So first part of the plant which start growing on the ground and which we can see is stem. So stem is very important part of the plant. Why? Because stem fixes plant to the ground, and stem is a part of the plant which is connected to each part of the plant. Because when we see plant, that leaf is not connected with root, but leaf is connected with root with stem. Then third is leaf. Leaf is a part of the plant which make food for the plant. So leaf is a green color part of the plant and it make food for plant which help plant to grow flowers and fruits. So with help of sunlight, leaf make food for plant. That's why leaf is known as a kitchen of the plant. Then number 4, flowers. Flower is a part of the plant which give fragrance and sweetness to the fruit. Most of the fruits growing from the flower. So flower is changes into the fruit. Not every fruit are we get from flower, but most of the flowers changes into the fruit. Then fifth part of the plant is fruits. So we learn in this lesson that every part of the plant is important. Fruit is a part of the plant which we use in our food. Every part of the plant we use in our food, but fruit we use in our food mostly, like apple, banana and so many vegetables like tomato, brinjal are also fruit of the plant. So we learn in this lesson that every part of the plant is very important. Here you can see the picture of the parts of the plant. That first you can see that fruits also, which are tomatoes. You can see flower also, you can see leaf also, stem also, and the underground part which we cannot see is roots. So you can count here that how many parts of the plant? 5 parts of the plant with these arrows: flower, fruit, leaf, stem and root. So now you can understand from this lesson that plant has many parts, and like us we have hands, legs, eyes, nose. Like that plants also have different parts. So here is a part of the plant. Then we learn about parts of the plant. That flower is a part of the plant that changes into the fruit. We see the video of apple, guava and many other fruits. Leaf is a make food for plant. That's why leaf known as a kitchen of the plant. Stem is a food passed to all over the plant. So stem is very important part of the plant. The stem collect food for plant inside the stem, which plant used to make fruits. So stem takes food and water to all part of the plant which stem obtain from the roots. Root fixes plant to the ground. If there is no roots and root not fix plant to the ground, plant fell down. So when you cut the plant, if you cut stem from the root, plant fall down. Then we learn about different types of plant. We divide all plants in different types with the stem of the plant. So we learn in this lesson 4 types of plant. Small plants which are very small, their stem are also very small. Creepers which are growing under ground roots and they grow along the ground. So creepers are the types of plant which growing along the ground. Then climbers which are growing straight with the help of any support. And trees are big and strong plant. So in this lesson we learn about small plants like rose and lotus and all this. You can see here small plants like lotus. So lotus are very small plants. It's not big, it's not climb. They can straight grow without support. Then we learn about climbers. So climbers are the plants which are growing straight with the help of any support like walls, thread or other plants. So grapevine is an example of climbers. We use climbers in decoration of our house. Then creepers. So yesterday we see the picture of creeper watermelon and today you can see here other creeper which is a pumpkin. So pumpkin and watermelon are examples of creeper. They cannot grow up. Why? Because they all are heavy. So creepers are the plant which are growing along the ground. Then trees. Trees are big plants which are very strong and the stem of tree is also very strong and big. So now you can understand that how we divide different types of plant in use of their stems and leaves and many things. So there are 4 types of plant. Our today's topic is revision exercise. So first we revise what we learned in yesterday's lecture. So let's revise that. We learn about hard words. So we quickly see that what we learned in previous lecture. So first hard word is strong. Tree, banyan. We see the picture of banyan tree. Banyan is a big tree which growing with the roots. Kidney beans are seeds which we eat. Cumin is also seeds. It is a spices which we eat in our food. Mint, green leaf which we eat in our food also. We also make medicines from mint. Coriander, it's also small plants which we use to garnishing our dish. Straight, climbers are the plants which are growing with the support of the wall or stick. Creepers are the type of plant which are growing along the ground. Stick, grapevine is a climber. Stem, part of the plant. We divide different types of plant with the stem. Roots, underground part of the plant. Seed, we need seed of particular plant to grow that plant. Baby plant, small plants. Nutrients are the things which plant obtain from the soil. Then we learn fill in the blanks with correct words. First, big and strong plants are called tree. Plant has many parts. A dash has baby plant inside it. Seed. Most plants grow from seeds. There are 5 parts of the plant. Then we learn question number 2, true and false. All plants are big? No, because some plants are also small. So we write here false. Banyan is a big plant. Yes, banyan is a big plant. Rose plant is a creeper. Yes, rose plant is a creeper. No, rose plant is a small plant. So we write here false. So we learn for true and false. All plants are big. False, banyan is a big plant. True, rose plant is a creeper. False, and climbers cannot grow straight on their own. So now let's revise our exercise with question number 3. Match the following. So in this we have to match column 1 with column 2. So let's start our exercise. So first is leaf. So what is leaf in this plant? Is that mango? Yes or no? No. Makes food, changes into the fruit, has a baby plant. So what is leaf from this? What leaf do for plant? So leaf make food for plant. As we know that leaf is a kitchen of the plant. So in our house we use kitchen to make food. So we joined leaf with makes food. So now we joined it. Then number 2, tree. So what is tree? From this changes into the fruit. Tree changes into the fruit? No. Tree has a baby plant? No. Mango is a tree? Yes, mango is a big tree. So we joined tree with mango. Then number 3, seed. Changes into the fruit? Yes or no? No. Has a baby plant? Yes. So we joined seed with baby plant. And last one is flower. So as we know that flower is changes into the fruit. So we joined leaf with makes food, tree with mango, seed with has a baby plant, and flower with changes into the fruit. So let's write the make the following with answer. So now you can see here I write answers. Leaf makes food, tree is mango, seed has a baby plant, and flower changes into the fruit. So here match the following with answer. So now we continue our next exercise, write 2 examples. In this we have to write 2 examples for each, for every question. So let's start our question number 4, write 2 examples. So first is tree. Now which are tree we use to see around our house? Mostly we see the mango tree, banana tree, apple tree, and many other trees. So here we write from these 2 names. You can write anything from this that we see, neem tree also, ashoka tree also. So we write here 2 names. So let's write the name of the tree. So first, which tree you can see here? Yes, apple tree. And we all learn ABCD from the apple, that A for apple. So here first is apple tree. You can write any of tree here, but I write here apple. And which is a second tree? You can see here yummy food. Yes, mango. So we all like mango and we eat mango in summer. So here you can see 2 names of the tree which we write, and let's write the spelling of these trees. So first is apple tree. So we write the spelling of apple tree. And second is mango tree. Then second is mango tree. So here you can see 2 names of tree, apple tree and mango tree. You can write any other tree also, but remember that we have to write name of the trees, not name of the small plants or climbers or creepers. So apple tree and mango tree. You can write here banana tree, orange tree, then neem tree, banyan tree, any of them. So now we see our next question. Which is a fruit? So in this we have to write 2 names of fruit which we eat. So I know that you all know about so many fruits we eat. You can write your favorite fruit which you eat mostly. So I write here first which picture you can see here. Is that mango? Yes or no? No. It is a orange. So first fruit we write in this question is orange. And let's see second fruit. Yes, mango. So these 2 fruits are color same, but they are different from each other. So we write here these 2 fruits name. So let's write that orange and mango. So in your book you can write whatever fruit you like, but we have to write two names only. So orange and mango. So here our question number 4, write two example is over. So what we write the name of trees, apple tree and mango tree. Then we write name of fruits, orange and mango. So we complete our write two examples. Now next question is give one word. So let's write give one word. Number 1, kitchen of the plant. So we learn in this lesson about kitchen of the plant. So what we use in our house to make food. So we make food in kitchen. So here you can see two pictures. In these pictures you can see that with help of sunlight, air and water, plants make food. And which part of the plant is making food? You can see with arrow. Which part it is? It is leaf. So leaf is a part of the plant which make food for plant. So kitchen is a place where we cook food. So here for plant, leaf is a kitchen. So we write the spelling of leaf here. So kitchen of the plant is leaf. In given word we have to write one word for the question. So the kitchen of the plant is leaf, we write here. Then question number 5, answer the question. So let's write answer the question. Number 1, how many parts of the plant? So we learn in this lesson that there are so many parts of the plant. And which are they? Let's count. Flowers, fruits, leaf, stem and root. So how many parts of the plant we count? 5. So we write here 5 parts of the plant. So here you can see in this picture there are 5 parts of the plant. 1 leaf, 2nd fruit, 3rd flower, 4th stem and 5th root. So 5 parts of the plant. So let's write the answer that there are 5 parts of the plant. So how many parts of the plant? There are 5 parts of the plant. Then we learn that what they make for plant. That leaf make food, flower changes into the fruit and stem takes food and water and root fixes plant to the ground. Then question number 2, that name any 2 parts of the plant. So in this we have to write 2 names of the part of the plant. So first we need to see the different part of the plant. That roots, leaf, stem, flower, fruit. So we have to write only 2 names of these parts of the plant. So let's write that fruit and flower. You can write here leaf also, you can write here root also, you can write here stem also. But I write here fruit and flowers. So you can write any of part of the plant. There are 5 parts of the plant: roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. So I write here fruit and flower. So here we complete our revision of exercise number 3, the world of plant.